My name is Michelle Carlisle, Parts Operations Manager. On a daily basis, we make sure our technicians have the parts they need. We make sure we expedite the parts. We make sure we have the inventory where it should be, to get the customers back going as quick as possible. Parts in general is a lot. Every night we have, 18-wheeler trucks and flatbed trucks that run from branch to branch to ensure that the parts are there the next day. So a part can go from Birmingham to Panama City, overnight. I just feel like the challenge and the change that's constant in what I do is what I enjoy the most. And that's really just to make sure our customers are taken care of. I have 4 kids. Blakeland's 11, Weston's 8, Connor's 5, and Laney is 6 months old. So we are wide open in general, but we are sports people. So we play softball, baseball, football, cheer. We like to hunt, we like to fish, we like to go to the river. So with 4 kids and all those things, we're pretty busy, but I enjoy every bit of it. A lot of people hear it's a man's world when they hear about construction and tractors and whatnot, and it's way more to it than that. I mean, yes, we have technicians that do the hard labor work, but there's more. There's marketing, there's, IT, inventory, parts operations. Like, we're the background. I didn't start in parts operations. I had, to kind of work my way, but I started on the service side on CDA and then kind of went to inventory, now parts ops, and just having the opportunity to do that at Thompson has been good. But there's just more opportunity out there, especially here at Thompson, for women to do whatever they want. So my advice is don't be scared and go for it.